Hey there viewers, today I'll be talking about how I fixed my VRC-321. It was stuck in transmit mode, so I took all the headsets off, and of course that didn't fix it. So I removed all the bolts from the case, removed the radio, uh, and I removed 2 bolts, and that allowed me to flip the front panel out of the way. I then disconnected the press-to-talk lines from the PCB that is on the front panel. It's right behind the panel connectors. So after I removed the wires, I checked the PCB and the wires for shorts. Turns out a few of the ceramic capacitors were shorted out. I replaced those and everything worked again. Now the capacitors were 10,000 picofarad, I believe. Yeah, so basically, if you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll answer what I can.